The concept of passive income, money earned with minimal ongoing effort, has evolved from ancient agricultural systems to today's digital marketplace. While it might sound like a get-rich-quick scheme, successful passive income actually requires significant upfront work or investment before the passive benefits materialize. Understanding this reality is crucial for anyone looking to build sustainable income streams that don't depend on trading time for money. The fundamental difference between passive and active income lies in breaking free from the time for money trade. Warren Buffett captured this essence perfectly. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This highlights why passive income is crucial in building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Several core concepts drive passive income generation. First is the distinction between income multiplication and time multiplication. Traditional jobs rely on time multiplication, working more hours to earn more money. Passive income works through income multiplication, where a single effort can generate multiple revenue streams simultaneously. Think of writing a book once, but selling it countless times. This principle underlies most successful passive income strategies. The rule of leverage plays a vital role, manifesting in four main forms: financial leverage, using money to make money; technical leverage, scaling through technology; people leverage, delegation; and knowledge leverage, monetizing expertise. The wealthy typically combine multiple forms of leverage to build substantial passive income streams. For instance, creating an online course uses knowledge leverage to share expertise, technical leverage to deliver content automatically, and potentially people leverage to handle customer service. Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant provides a useful framework, dividing income sources into four categories: employee, E; self-employed, S; business owner, B; and investor, I. Passive income typically flows from the B and I quadrants, while traditional active income comes from E and S. Moving from left, ES, to right, BI, often marks the path to financial freedom. This transition requires developing different skills and mindsets than those needed for traditional employment. The compound effect amplifies passive income's power. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. A simple example: $10,000 invested at 10% annual return with profits reinvested grows to about $67,000 after 20 years, without additional capital. This mathematical principle works not just with investments, but with many forms of passive income, where reinvesting early returns can accelerate growth significantly. Historically, passive income opportunities were limited to the wealthy who could own land or businesses. The digital revolution has democratized access, allowing anyone with internet access and the right knowledge to create passive income streams. This transformation has sparked different approaches to passive income generation, from traditional investment strategies to cutting-edge digital platforms. The traditional investment approach, championed by figures like Warren Buffett and Jack Bogle, emphasizes long-term, consistent investing in quality assets. This strategy focuses on building wealth through disciplined investing in stocks, bonds, and funds, often requiring significant capital but offering reliable returns over time. The approach has created more millionaires than perhaps any other passive income strategy. The real estate school, led by experts like Robert Kiyosaki and Grant Cardone, focuses on building wealth through property ownership. They emphasize that real assets generating cash flow provide both income and inflation protection. While real estate requires larger initial investments, it offers multiple income streams through appreciation, rental income, and tax benefits. Digital entrepreneurs like Pat Flynn concentrate on creating online businesses and digital products. This approach leverages the internet's global reach to create scalable income streams with relatively low startup costs. Success stories in this space often involve creating valuable content or solutions that can be sold repeatedly without requiring additional effort for each sale. Practical passive income strategies fall into three main categories, each with distinct requirements and potential returns. Investment-based, requiring financial capital. Dividend-paying stocks from established companies with long histories of regular payments. Index fund investing for broad market exposure. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offering property investment without direct management. Bonds and fixed income securities providing regular interest payments. crowd-funded real estate platforms allowing smaller investment amounts. Creation-based, requiring time skills. Digital products including ebooks, online courses, and templates. Content platforms monetized through advertising and sponsorships. Software and apps generating recurring subscription revenue. Intellectual property licensing for music, photography, and patents. Stock photography and video content sold through marketplace platforms. Hybrid models, combining time and money. Content websites monetized through advertising and affiliate marketing. E-commerce with dropshipping or print-on-demand products. Amazon KDP publishing, combining content creation with platform distribution. Automated online services requiring initial development but minimal ongoing maintenance. Membership sites offering premium content or services. Success in passive income generation typically requires focusing on one strategy initially, rather than pursuing multiple approaches simultaneously. The key is aligning strategies with personal strengths and available resources. Many successful passive income generators start with their existing expertise or interests, gradually building systems that can operate with minimal intervention. Common misconceptions about passive income include underestimating required upfront work and overestimating early returns. Building meaningful passive income, enough to replace a full-time job, typically takes several years, not months. At a 5% annual yield, generating $1,000 monthly requires $240,000 invested. Understanding these realities helps set appropriate expectations and prevents disappointment. The journey to passive income success involves several key steps. 1. Start with an income inventory, skills, assets, time, connections. 2. Set clear specific income goals with realistic timelines. 3. Begin small but start immediately, focusing on learning and improvement. And 4. Reinvest early returns for compound growth rather than spending them. 5. Optimize and scale what works before trying new strategies. 6. Diversify only after achieving mastery in one area. 7. Maintain and update systems regularly to ensure continued performance. The ultimate value of passive income extends beyond financial freedom to life freedom, the ability to spend time according to personal values rather than economic necessity. Whether the goal is family time, creative pursuits, travel, or simply having space to think, passive income can provide the foundation for a self-directed life. Success requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. The journey from $0 to $1,000 monthly passive income is typically more challenging than from $1,000 to $2,000. However, the compound effect of consistent effort and reinvestment can create significant long-term results for those willing to persist through the building phase. This principle applies across all passive income strategies, whether investing in dividend stocks, creating digital products, or building automated businesses.